Hello folks, today is my birthday. I am 41 years old and I'm spending it driving to a cake shop because I want cake, because it's my birthday. Such a weird place to have a cake shop. It's just a row of houses and then a little tiny cake shop. The other side is a row of houses. The closest thing after that is a McDonald's. But yeah, there's nowhere to park for his customers. But I came here the other day when I bought a PS5 and oh my god. Anyway, this whole video is probably just going to be an update on the house because I get asked about that quite often. So I'm parked at Home Bargains. And here's the cake shop. Just ta-da! And it's closed. Oh shit, are you kidding me?
Maybe more donuts later on, they were all gone this morning.
Oh, that's good news though for you, right?
Yeah.
I am gonna grab a few things, if that's okay.
Yes, of course.
I'll have a cherry almond slice, an apple turnover. Do you know what? I don't like eclairs, but I'm gonna have one.
Yeah?
Yeah. What have we got? 3?
3.
Oh, go on. I'll have a cronut as well. Yeah. In case you missed that place is called Home Baked Delights, and it's got quite a reputation. It's been open since I think March, April. I keep driving past it, and I'm like, I gotta go there at some point. And I finally did the other day. I've got nowhere to put my phone. Like, I haven't got a phone stand or anything to put it on, so I'm just gonna have to hold it. I'm gonna have the eclair now, just out of curiosity. I've got a feeling I'm gonna like it, but I don't. If you've seen the video where I moan about chocolate eclairs, I think it is the most pointless dessert ever. But it's the casing. The cream and the chocolate obviously are delicious, but like, oh, this is synthetic cream as well, so it's gonna be nice. It's just the casing I don't like much. I mean, by eclair standards, that's the best eclair I've had. I still don't understand why anyone would eat this stuff though. Not the cream, not the chocolate, just the casing is just like... I also bought this Christmas cake Imperial Porter, sorry, 14.2%. And this sea salt and chocolate double porter, that's at 8%. Got them at Blue Sky. There's another 2 to the Christmas collection. Oh dear. Can you guess what this is for? Wrong. So recently I've been making some decisions on the house, and instead of just having one like projector fucking man cave room, I'm like, I'm single. The whole house is a fucking man cave if I want it to be. So that's what it is. So the projector is staying in the living room, and if it's staying in the living room, I might as well hang it off the ceiling instead of having a thing in the middle of the room. So in order to have it here, I'm going to have the plug up here, so it's out of the way. So out of sheer laziness, just for Christmas or whatever, or until I can be bothered getting it done properly, I'm just going to cable tie this to here, cable tie that to there, cable tie my PlayStation 5 here, And that's it. The rest of the day, I'm just going to sit here, have a drink, and play my PlayStation 5. I need to go grab the cable ties out of the car first. Ooh, glow in the dark. And there we go. My PlayStation 5 is not safe. Cable tied to the ceiling. This is not a permanent solution, okay? It's just for now. I'll sort something better out. I just want to clear this section up. There's Ben & Jerry's tubs that were up there. There's stuff all over the place. So let's turn it on and see how we go. I spent yesterday aligning the screen up and everything, so should be good to go. It'll be upside down when I first put it on. I should turn the light off. Where's the control for the light? It's upside down for a bit. So what do most like 40-year-olds do? They play golf, right? So I'm going to play golf. I bought myself a golf game. My first PS5 game. So that's what I'm going to play. One thing I haven't thought of was, am I going to be able to reach here to put the game in? And the answer is yes! So there we go. I'm going to sit here with my Apple turnover, which is really good. And I'm going to pour myself a beer. A 10% modern sour. This smells incredible. My nephew got me this. My nephew, Aaron. He sent it through the post. It's the only birthday present I got this year. Shame on the rest of you. I'm kidding. But it was nice to receive a present, either way. So thank you, Aaron, if you're watching. Anyway, fuck off. I'm gonna play golf for the rest of the night.